What's up, guys? It's me again. Hope y'all are doing great. Just had a quick video of me putting in, this is the stock button, which I just got a decal over it. Looks good, looks decent, but I got a...
Dad, we're doing that.
Sorry, that's my kid on a walkie-talkie. I got a TRD button, which I pulled this chrome ring off to replace it with this satin one. It fits right on there. I don't like this chrome. So I got that button. We're gonna replace it. This is the part number if anybody's interested. My hand's shaking a little bit. Let me go take care of my kid real quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, had to help out my daughter with school, homeschool, coronavirus, bullshit right now. I opened the garage. Hopefully that's more light for you, and I'm gonna show you one of the easiest ways to get this button out. So you literally put your fingers between where the leather and the dash is, and you just two hands and pull back. Once you pull back, literally all this comes apart. This will come down, all this is loose. It will give you enough space so you can stick your whole hand in there. I haven't pulled back all the way yet to push the button out to replace it. So let me do that and I'll be back with you guys. Okay guys, I was fighting like hell with that, but yeah, you see, you pull this down, everything goes with it all the way around, even this. So once you pull it out this far, you literally can get your hand in the back and then the bottom right here, see? And then what I did was, so this is the new one, so literally it sits in there that way. On the top there's a tab, on the bottom there's a tab. So what I did was, I guess my fingers aren't strong enough, so I took a flathead and then I went through the top down and I pushed down on this top tab while using my rear fingers to push out, and you see it came out. It's already out. So let me pull this thing out. Let me see. There I go. See, from behind it's a lot easier. Okay, and now I just unplug the tab. Okay guys, let me show you something. Okay, so this TRD button came with this chrome piece that you see right here. You just put your fingernails right behind it and you just pop it off. So I took that off, the TRD button, and then this is the stock button with the satin one. So I took the satin one off, same thing, and I popped it on. So instead of red and chrome, which I don't have anything chrome in here, everything's either satin or carbon, or gonna be all carbon. I took the satin off because I think it looks a lot better. So I put it on the TRD button and it does look awesome. So what you're gonna do here is you're gonna hold it. I need a fucking tripod. Damn it. Give me a second, guys. I don't know this angle, maybe you guys will see. Sorry, I'm trying to put an angle so you can at least see something. You see a little bit. So that's the tab. So you just plug it in. It plugs straight in. You hear click. Okay. And now from here, you just slide it back in to just like the stock one. Let me see. I know there's shit in the way now. Fuck. Give me 1 second, guys. So I unplugged the button again because, you know, I guess it was hitting something in the back. So what I did was I took the button back out and I just slowly pushed everything back like that. See, this clips right here, there's a clip right here, all the clips back here, all the way around the leather, back here, right here, around the button, right here. Just make sure this part right here clips back in with the cluster trim, and same thing over here. bottom with cluster trim and the vent. There's clips everywhere. So once everything's tight again, make sure you leave this hanging out. If it pops back in, then you're gonna have to pull everything back. So let's finally get the button on. Oh, the phone stays right there. Nice. See, just clip it in. Boom. See, now there's nothing behind it because everything's back in its place. This part's the most satisfying to me. Okay, let's push it in. Oh yeah, hear that click? Now I have a TRD button that's red. Fits, plug and play. Literally took me 10 minutes. I know at night this lights up really bright. I like that. That's one of the things I didn't like about this. I love this button, don't get me wrong. I like the stock button. This saved me 180 bucks. That button was, I think, 180. So this saved me 180. This sticker was only like $5, and it looks awesome. Like, I didn't mind it at all. But the only thing I didn't like is because it's a sticker, it covered up the light, so it didn't light up at night. So I decided to go with the TRD because I have like TRD stuff here and there, like OEM TRD, oil cap, and this. Yeah, you guys. Well, let's check and see if it works. It was hot, so I had to turn on the air. Car is back off. Yes. Push on the brake, and let's hear the car. Ethanol content is 43%. Everything temperature is good. Okay, see, now it's good and going. Whew. If there's a lot of air blowing at the phone, I'm sorry. It's way too hot. So yeah, this stock button, I'm just gonna put it up. See, you see where that clip where there's a little mark from me putting the flathead to it, and that little scratch right there. But yeah. I didn't even have to, I barely touched the bottom button. So I pushed the top button. And the stock button, you can literally take this chrome piece from the TRD one. Sorry guys. I'm gonna get like I said, GoPro's on the way. And like a gimbal, and like I splurged out on everything. I guess now that I'm a stay-at-home dad. And I have more time to work. Well, not really more time. Stay-at-home dad, but I have 3 kids in school, which are homeschooled now by me, and they take all my attention. 3 dogs, a cat, and now one of my dogs had puppies. So now I'm like, my wife, she takes care of my nail salon. So she wants me to stay home because the kids favor me more over her. So now I'm at home full time taking care of my kids, and she watches over my salon. So now I'm trying to do more YouTube, because I guess whatever time I have, or between breaks, lunch break, whatever, I can come out here and do a video like right now. So I hope y'all like everything. I hope this helped. If y'all have any questions, hit me up down below. This is the TRD button code number right here. Go to eBay. There's a whole bunch on there, but make sure you go by this code, and the price is at least $150 and up. Because anything lower than that, they're fake. This is real TRD stuff. I made sure of it. It came straight from Japan. The package was DHL from Japan. So yeah, I hope this helped, and thanks for watching. And do y'all want to hear the supercharger for a little bit? Let me put you under the hood. Give y'all a little bit of supercharger action. got these neck pads, because I guess the way I sit, my neck doesn't rest on it. Rest on the seat. Okay, let me open the door. Let me get out. Yeah, I have so many parts. The big brake kit for the Lexus here, the side-on lips here, so, and the wheels over there. I have so much shit that I don't have room to get out of the car. But once everything's on the Lexus, I'll have so much more space getting in and out of the car, working on the car, you know, all that stuff. And a lift, a 2-post lift is going into my garage, guys, so hopefully installs will be in my garage. It's still coming. I put a new K&N air filter on there. The other one that came from RR Racing's kit was too small. I guess I don't know why it's so tight in my engine bay on this car, but I got a lot bigger K&N one with a new filter cover. So I'm gonna rev it a little bit for you guys to hear the supercharger. Sorry, I kind of had to cut off right there. My daughter was calling me. But yeah, that's the start button install. I got a couple more parts coming for the car. And then I'm just doing little things here and there right now, like carbon fiber pieces here and there. And then my main focus is this car right now. I have so many parts coming for this car that I have to install, but I can't install it yet until after my turbo. Because if I install everything, I'm just gonna have to take everything apart again, like my custom headlights, DRL, maybe carbon fiber hood, bumper. So right now we're focusing on the turbo kit. After that's installed and making all the power, then I'm gonna install everything that I have ordered for this car, which is basically almost the whole build. There's a couple more pieces that I wanna get, but basically the whole build is gonna be done after I install everything that I have inside my house. But I hope y'all liked everything. Y'all stay safe. You know, hand sanitizer always on you, clean, wash your hands. Y'all be safe. Hope your family is doing great, and thanks for viewing this video. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe. There's more to come. Hopefully me talking to you is getting better and better. A lot less stuttering and a lot less ums. I used to do that a lot. So hopefully it's getting better. The quality is slowly getting better. When I get more tools and my GoPro and all that stuff, hopefully I can learn how to edit. So just give me, you know, patience. I'm gonna start posting a lot more. So God bless you guys, and see y'all next time. Peace.